This is a DTF machine that integrates both powderless glue coating and traditional powder shaking processes, designed to handle diverse orders and materials with greater flexibility. After printing, the system automatically proceeds to glue coating or powder application. Glue creates a thin and smooth layer, while powder builds up a thicker, textured finish, each offering a unique feel. Powderless glue-coated prints are soft and breathable, ideal for comfort-focused garments. Powder-based prints offer more relief and dimension, perfect for decorative or bold designs. High-precision printheads and an industrial-grade conveyor ensure smooth and stable output, balancing efficiency with exceptional print quality. Both methods deliver clean edge transfers with easy peeling. The result is vibrant, breathable, and soft to the touch, perfect for a premium finish. One machine, two processes. Powderless and powder-based, seamlessly integrated. For more DTF solutions, follow Sublistar.